Guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, I am wearing a wig. I know it looks kind of fake because I do not know how to put on wigs, and obviously I threw on a cap because you can definitely like see the part right there. And it's a really cheapo wig that I found at Walmart, and I thought it would be cool to film in a wig, in a blue wig. I don't know why, but yeah. So now that we have gotten that out of the way, we are going to be reviewing the Kush Mascara. This mascara is fairly new. It's from the brand Milk Makeup. This was sent out to me. Before we get started though, if you're not yet part of our TSQUAD family and you would like to join, don't forget to subscribe in the link down below. It's totally free. Subscribe, become part of our TSQUAD family. That being said, if you like first impressions or if you like my reviews, if companies decide to send me out products, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It helps me a lot. You guys have no idea. Thumbs up the video right now if you like these kind of first impressions. And with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get started with the review. So it comes in like this really cute packaging, which I thought was so cute and original. Very different. And then once we take it out, we have the famous Kush Mascara. So off of first impressions, this feels really heavy. I could hit somebody with this and it'll hurt really bad. This mascara is made in Italy. It also retails for $24. It is available at Sephora.com as well as milkmakeup.com. This is a Kush infused mascara, so I'm pretty sure you guys want to know if this shit smells like weed. So let's do that. Nope, it does not smell like weed. It honestly smells like any other mascara, to be honest. So this mascara is conditioned with CBD cannabis oil. If you guys did not know, the CBD is what really helps with the pain in the marijuana or whatever you want to call it. I'm not a weed expert, so bear with me. And the THC is what actually gets you high or feeling some type of way. So if you apply this and you feel some type of way, girl, you're crazy. Boy, you are crazy. This is not going to make you feel some type of way. It's not going to get you high. It's not going to get your eyes red or anything out of that sort, because it does not contain the THC, which is what actually gets you high. That makes sense? I hope we're all on the same weed page, you know? This mascara is cruelty. It is paraben. It is also vegan and gluten free. There you go. People say that when the Kush hits, it's supposed to give you high volume, longer lashes, thicker lashes, and it's also supposed to lift your lashes. So we're all in for that, right? We obviously all want that in a mascara. That's what we are going to be testing out. And we also want to know if it gets clumpy, if it budges, if it smears, all of that good stuff. It says the conditioning CBD rich cannabis oil fuses heart-shaped fibers for the lashes for thickness without the fallout. The formula fills the hollow fibers for a double dose of volume. Girl, I am all in for that because the House of Lashes glue tears my lashes apart. Although I haven't really been using that glue, I don't have full thick lashes naturally, you know what I mean? So obviously I want that in a mascara. So it says the hollow heart-shaped fibers lock onto the lashes in each direction, adding width and length for long-lasting volume and curl. And then it says puff brush. It says the tapered free shaped brush with the crisscross bristles coats and lifts every single lash from the root to the tip for a defined clump free effect. All that it says in their little card here. So obviously I am going to show you guys the bristles up close. So first thing I'm noticing off the bat is that when you open it, a lot of product comes out. A lot of product is accumulated here in the actual how do you call this? You guys know what I mean. Right here. It's what the actual wand up front looks like. As you guys can see, it's a pretty thick wand. I'm not a fan of thick wands like this, but we'll see how it performs. Also, the bristles are pretty thick, so it's obviously a pretty thick wand, which I'm not all about, you know. And the fact that it picks up a shit ton of product, I do not like either. I obviously have to remove a lot of the product onto the cap because I feel like I can make a mess really easy. So go ahead and apply this on my right eye really quickly, and then I'll do a close-up so you guys can see the difference. Keep in mind that I don't have any lash curl on my lashes or anything on them. So there's one coat. I feel like you don't really need to go back in there with like a second coat, just because the brush has a lot of product in there, like I said. So that is one coat. I'm gonna go ahead and do an up close just so you guys can see how everything is looking like. They look a little bit clumpy, but I'll see if I can fix that right now. Go in one more time without dipping my brush back into the actual container. I'm just gonna use whatever is left on here because there's a lot of product in here. The difference between this eye and this eye, dipping my brush back in there and getting rid of all the excess product. So I'm gonna go ahead and coat my bottom lashes real quick. I'm kind of scared because the wand is so fat. I feel like I'm gonna make a mess, but we shall try. There you go, a light coat of mascara on my bottom lashes. Again, and up close so you guys can see how everything is looking like. Alright guys, so now that you guys see both eyes and the difference, you know, between the both, I'm pretty sure you guys already, you know, have your opinions put together. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye off camera, and I'm gonna come back to kind of give you guys my final thoughts. Alright guys, so I'm back. This is how both of my lashes are looking like. I kind of did a mess. It kind of went like everywhere, and then I had like, you know, little black dots everywhere, but I'll go ahead and do a close-up just so you guys can see how they look. So is the famous Kush Mascara worth the money? So like I said, it does retail for $24. So does this mascara get clumpy? I would say it does get clumpy, and that's the reason why I feel like it gives you thicker lashes, like the illusion that you have thicker lashes, but because it clumps them together. So that I'm not a fan of. Like it lifted my lashes. I feel like it did give me a lift. I'm pretty sure you guys are able to see on camera that they look a little bit lifted, and I really didn't curl them or did anything to them. The budge or smear, no, it just bleeds, you know, like black dots. So that's that. The type of person that does not wear false lashes and you're like, you know what, I am not about that false lash life, I feel like this would be a good mascara. I feel like you can make it work even though the wand is too big. I feel like it still gives you the illusion or the effect that you're wearing falsies. Or if you're having like one of those days where you want that volume and you want that, you know, liftness in the lashes, I feel like you would appreciate this mascara. I don't like the wand. Then again, the product itself inside, it's actually really, really good. So that was my review on the Kush Mascara. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. You guys saw the whole, you know, thing, how my lashes looked before, how they look now. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you feel like it gave me volume, if they lifted. Let me know what you saw. And with that being said, guys, I really hope that you guys enjoyed my review on the Kush Mascara. If you did and you want to continue to see more reviews, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps me a lot. What you gotta do, become part of our T-Squad family. And with that being said, guys, I uploaded a vlog yesterday, so if you haven't watched that, I'll leave it up here. I'll leave it down below. I have new videos coming for you guys probably every single day, so stay tuned for them. And if you have any video recommendations, leave them down below. If you want to see challenges with it, Jesus, don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what kind of challenges you guys want. Having said, I will catch you guys tomorrow in my next video. Bye, guys.